Top 3 Portable Sewing Machines for 2020 by Susan Best. Let's start with the list. Number 1, Brother XM 2701 Sewing Machine. 27 unique built-in stitches. The XM 2701 includes 27 built-in stitches including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches and an auto-size buttonhole. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. The XM 2701 comes with 6 sewing feet, 3-piece needle set, twin needle, 4 bobbins, instructional divide, manual and more. Versatile free arm. This free arm sewing machine is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing projects, and users from beginners to advanced. At your side support, the XM 2701 sewing machine comes with Brother at your side support, offering free technical support via online, live chat or phone for the life of your machine. Number 2, Varmax Mini Sewing Machine with Extension Table. Mini size and compact as a space saver, this sewing machine is an elaborate and mini size sewing machine. The advanced and high-cost machines are more elaborate on manufacturing. Large extension table. It is equipped with a large extension table, which makes it more convenient to work on large projects, and also keep the mini machine more stable during sewing. Sewing sleeves and trousers. Special cuff slot is designed for sleeves and trouser legs sewing. Furthermore, it is equipped with built-in light to provide adequate light source during sewing. Double threads and 2-speed control. Double thread stitching make it easy to finish sewing without knotting. Low, high-speed button is equipped for selection to keep safe and powerful. Good for beginners to make craft, home sewing, for example lunch bag, apron. 1-year warranty and after-sales service. Equipped AC/DC adapter with ETL Mark certification. This product is user-friendly. Please contact us by email if there is any issue during operation. We are always here and happy to assist every customer. Number 3, Luby Sewing Machine for Beginners. Beginner sewing machine. Low, high-speed button is equipped for selection to keep safe and powerful. Good for beginners to make craft, home sewing, e.g., lunch bag, apron. It is a great choice as kid sewing machine. Small and portable. Compared with traditional sewing machines, Luby small sewing machine does not occupy a large space and is very lightweight, easy to carry and works anytime, anywhere. 12 built-in stitches. Gently turn the knob to select the stitch, simply stitch out the style you like. It has a 4-step buttonhole presser foot for virtually perfect buttonholes sewing. Sewing sleeves and trousers. Take out the storage box. Luby simple sewing machine is perfect for sewing sleeves and trousers. It is also fit for a wide range of everyday sewing projects and users from beginners to advanced. Detailed instructional videos, detailed and clear tutorial videos and user guide help you easily master this beginner sewing machine. For more info on the products mentioned, visit the links in the video description below.